Minimizing our toxic load, or the amount of toxins our bodies are exposed to, is important for reducing our risk of cancer, skin and respiratory issues, and many other aspects of our health. Let's consider the materials in our cookware: frying pans, pots, and baking dishes that have the potential to expose you and your family to toxins. First, let's talk about pots and pans to consider discarding. Teflon. Some nonstick pans are sealed with a Teflon coating that can contain PFOA or PFTE, which can create toxic fumes when they're heated. We'll want to prioritize discarding chipped or scratched nonstick pans. When the surface coating is compromised, potential toxins leach more readily into your food. Here's a tip. Use cast iron, stainless steel, and glass pots, pans, and containers to reduce toxin exposure. You'll actually increase the iron content of your foods by cooking in a cast iron skillet. Now let's talk about aluminum. Single-use pans and aluminum foil are convenient, but using these can cause leaching of aluminum into foods. One study found that baking meat in aluminum foil increased the aluminum concentration of red and white meats by as much as 378%. Here's another tip. Instead of lining pans with foil, use oil to grease pans well and stir often to reduce sticking. Now, replacing your cookware could be daunting if you have mostly non-stick cookware. Take one step at a time and choose to replace your most used cookware item first. For us, we used our sauté pan in cooking almost every night at dinner, so we replaced that with a cast iron skillet first. Which cookware item can you swap first?